Alright YouTube, it's Mickey Mouse Operations back with another video. We got the Warrior up and running. I did not get many rebuilding videos except for the first preview that you guys have seen, but it is running now. It took a lot of work and time to get it to run, and it's running decent. We got that manual cam chain tensioner like I said we were going to buy, and that is working out pretty dang good. It needs a new exhaust. It has a massive split in the stock pipe and it leaks pretty bad, so it'll get some kind of slip-on pipe. Clutch works good. We put the brand new clutch in it. Reverse works. We had to modify the motor mounts a little bit and change all the bolts out. And other than that, it runs pretty dang good. I think we got one headlight. Yep, just one, which is okay. I'm thinking the other one just got a burnt out bulb or something in it, or some bad connection. But it's running all right, guys. I'll get a little rev. It's still breaking in. It still smokes a little bit. It's still got a lot of oil in there yet. I'm sure it'll burn its way out eventually as the rings seat. And it's pretty dang cold. It's like 30 degrees out. So other than that, it's been running okay. I got to tighten the chain yet, and that's pretty much it. But the eBay top end, guys, if you're going to get it, get the manual cam chain tensioner. Your stock cam chain tensioner will probably not fit. It's got the Chinese knockoff aftermarket carburetor too, and I'm having issues with it leaking gas out the overflow as soon as you don't have the engine running and leave the gas on. I don't know if it's like the float sticks or if there's some kind of passageway blocked, but I just turned the gas off and after I'm done running it, and I'm fine, and it doesn't run bad when it's running, so I'm just going to leave it as is. I got one of the aftermarket tachometer / hour meters, just a $10 Amazon one, and that's been working out good just so I can keep track of the rebuild hours and everything else. But here you guys can see it's running pretty good. Missing the chain guard because you can see that case is broken. That's the 1987 engine with 2000 or the 96 stator and ignition, with everything else on the 96 frame. So there she is, guys, finally up and running good, and look forward to more videos with this in the winter, maybe some snow driving with it, and that'll be it.